I don't f broke. Always held my own since I jumped up off the post. You ain't know, now you know. I take poor folk.
Run me my sack before I come in. $80,000 plus a jet on the back end. 20 twins finna get plucked like a chicken. Brother locked up, he spent much time in the kitchen.
Me and my people be rolling, scheming on you and your homies. The very first day of summer, all chromed out in a Hummer bed. Hit the park and parlay. Hope that you walk this way, 'cause you and your girls wanna ride. Play all day, puff on the line.
Hey guys, I'm in my car, but I decided to do my intro in here instead, because I was going to be late to where I was going. But this is a top knot tutorial, one that I didn't really take that much time to do. Like I said, later on in the video that I will have a link in the bio of where I got my inspiration from and whose video that I follow while I was doing this. And so I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'm gonna just get right straight to the video.
Just song, I think I feel a bone coming on. Girl, you got me wide open, waiting all day and I'm hoping. So baby, don't run, backseat cheap, you know what I want. Say what, you know that I like it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up, and you know what I need. Say what, you know that I'm about it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up.
Bruh.
Everywhere I go, I'm always hearing your name. And no matter where I'm at, girl, you make me wanna sing.
So usually after I do a wash and go, I'm usually over it after about, like, I want to say 3 days is a long time actually, but I'm gonna say that I be over it by like 3 days, and I don't be wanting to wear my hair like that no more. So I've been recently really trying to figure out how to do like a top knot with my hair, because I just feel like I should be able to do it, but every time I do it, it don't come out right. This is the second video in my hair series, you know, that I'm doing, being as though people like to request videos. What I did was I took one of these, I got these from the hair store, took one of these and I put it around my neck, doubled it, and put it around my head. I hope I showed that like enough so that y'all can actually see what I did. But I don't be liking to make it too tight because my head be hurting. But I will leave a link in the description of whose video I actually watched to be able to pull off this style, because I didn't know how to do it before I watched her video. Her name is How African Beaut, and her hair is like exactly like mine, so it's good for people whose hair is exactly like mine. I would suggest if you have like a type 3 curl, you might want to watch somebody else's video, being as though it's probably easier for y'all to get y'all hair up. I don't know, I'm really feeling this bun right here. I think I want to just leave it like this, to be honest, because I don't want my hair to be that tight. This is just a short video just so y'all can see, so y'all have ideas for y'all hair, if y'all want to do y'all hair like this or whatever. I think I'm gonna leave my hair like this because I like it like this. The girl in the video, she put extra scrunchies around her bun to make it taller, but I don't know, I'm not really, I just want my hair in a bun. Like, I'm cool with this, to be honest. So I might just do my edges real quick. And then I usually top it off with this ebin 24-hour edge control because I need my edges to stay, like, I need them to be present. I went to make sure that y'all saw like what my hair looked like once I take the scarf off. But I had to do it in the car because I'm gonna be late to where I'm going. But hey mama, ooh, it's a little lopsided, but you know what? I'm popping over the bug. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy what I've brought to you today. You know, brought by G to B, feel me? But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoy filming it. And as you know, like, you already know how I'm popping off in my corner of the world. So I'll see you guys later in my next video. Bye guys.
We made it through the storm. I really want you to realize I really want to put you on. I've been searching for someone to satisfy my every need. Won't you be my inspiration? Be the real love that